Okay, so guys, I was working on my induction cooktop. All right, the error here is E0. All right, so showing E0 error, and E0 error is basically it has to, it could be anything anyway, but mainly it's the IGBT. The problem is usually the IGBT or the bridge or the caps. These five capacitors here. So but I'll just follow the process, right? The troubleshooting process. So I opened it, check the IGBT, everything is good. Check the sensor, good. Check the top sensor, I mean the cooker sensor, good. Bridge is good, cap is good. All right, these two caps are good. So when I turn it on, I check the 18 volts here. This is the 18 volts. Maybe I should go close on this. So this is 18 volts, and 18 volts was there. I don't know if you can see this clear. This Zener diode here is 18 volts, so it's going to supply 18 volts to the fan. Via this switching power supply here. So now the 5 volts is also there. This Zener diode is 5 volts, the one that goes to the panel and the one that goes to this MCU. So everything looked good, and yet there's E0 error. So um it was later I just discovered, later after troubleshooting, checking everything, testing, there was no fault anywhere. So I now had to check this resistor, on my own. It's 820k, 820 kilo ohm, right? This resistor, this 820 kilo is actually the one powering these 5 volts. There are two connected in series, and it's powering these 5 volts here. So what happened is when you power this board on, this resistor is actually open, but it's allowing 5 volts to pass. It's allowing voltage to pass, but the current will not pass. So this MCU here will want to sense the voltages. So it doesn't see current coming from there. So it will show, or is to turn off, and then it will just give the error code E0, right? So because it doesn't see any current. So when you turn it off to E0, when I test here, I will still see the 5 volts. So I was practically confused. So but I just decided to just do the normal routine check because it's high value resistor. So it's possible that it could go off. It will actually open. So that's when I discovered that what they are connected in series. This one here is okay, but this one here has opened. So it actually allows voltage to pass, but it doesn't allow current to pass. So that was exactly why I was getting E0 error. So I'm going to change it now. I will look for a series connection, maybe combine, put two or three resistors in series if I don't have the 820k, and then put it on and see what's up. So I will feed it back.